friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to write vertically in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly, select the cells where you want to write text vertically. So after selecting the cells, so click on home options. So in home options you can see merge and center option. So click on it. You can see all selected cells are merged. So after that, here you can write text which you want to as vertically. So after writing any text, so press enter button, then select the cells where you have written. So after that, click on home options. So in home options you can see alignment box. So in alignment box you can see orientation options. So click on it. So after that, here you can see different options. So click on vertical text. So when you will click on vertical text, so you can see text is written as vertical. So here you can change the rotate text up. So you can see text is written as vertically text up. So if you want to select rotate text down, so you can see text is written as a text down. So guys, in this way you can write vertically in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.